Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video I am going to teach you how to make text to video using the AI Lucas. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important information, and without further ado, let's get on with the video. So just open your AI Lucas on a browser that you are using, and then just click the try it for free button that you will be able to see in that, and then just log in using your Google account. And after logging in, then you will be able to see this on your screen also. And then on the bottom part right here, this is where you will type in your prompt for you to be able to make a video. So I'm just going to make a prompt right here. So I'm going to let me make a 10-second video about friendship. Oh, I'm so sorry, that is wrong. So make a 10-second video friendship, and then after that just click on to this send button on this part, and then just wait and let it generate for a few seconds. So go ahead and do that, generate video, and then wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, the Lucas AI is preparing the video. And just wait for it to finish. And then you will be able to see different results, and then you'll be able to select from those results, and you can even customize it and edit it or personalize your video however you want. Before that, just wait for it to generate. So as you can see here, after a few seconds, you will be able to see different results. So you can go ahead and pick a video from here. So I'm going to click this one. So you can play it
Friendship
and
is
check. So you can even edit the video by clicking this edit video button at the bottom part of the video, and then you can select the language. You can select the narrator right here. So and then you can even add music if you want to, and you can add text in here. You can edit the title and the text again. So you can edit it by scene, so first scene, second scene, third scene. So you can personalize it however you want, and after that you can click on to this update button video right here, so you can even change the color palette. So if you're already satisfied with your video, just click onto the save video with watermark. So if you want to download the video, remember you need to have 5 credits, and after that, after you have used all of your credits, then you'll need to pay in order for you to access the Lucas AI video generator, or to download the video that you have generated, or the Lucas AI that have generated. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.